Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get on to the biggest story of the day, because it's been since the 14th of June. Republic has been unrelenting in its coverage in the Sushant's death case. Republic has done massive exposés, raced through tough questions, and has also uncovered explosive details to get to the bottom of the Sushant truth. As your channel continues to lead the campaign for justice, there are other lobbies who are on an overdrive to block Republic's reportage. Now, vested interests who want and are in a desperate attempt trying to hide the truth from coming out, but Republic will not relent. Republic will not stop from uncovering the truth. Republic will report for SSR. That is the hashtag that we are using. And also, when it comes to today's developments that we are getting to know, so it was being said that for the 5th consecutive day, Rhea Chakrabarti will be called in for questioning along with her brother Shouvik Chakrabarti. But now we're getting to know that has been deferred and a later date will be decided. Going across to Shravan for an update on this. So Rhea, Shouvik will not be questioned today. Shravan, is that confirmed? And it is being said that their parents will be called in this morning.
Well, in fact, as we speak right now, there is a review meeting which is underway. The investigators who are basically carrying out the probe here in Mumbai are having a meeting with the Delhi team. In fact, the agenda of the meeting is not known at this stage, but perhaps this is also to do with the progress that has been made so far. In fact, the prime accused has been called in for questioning at least 4 times. She's been interrogated for more than 30 hours put together. Apart from that, Shouvik Chakrabarti too has been questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, as far as CBI's probe is concerned, remember the people who are yet to be questioned are Rhea Chakrabarti's parents, who too have been named as an accused in the FIR that was registered by first the Bihar police and thereafter the Central Bureau of Investigation. And that essentially explains the reason why Rhea Chakrabarti's parents have now been called in. We've been told that the summons were basically provided to Rhea Chakrabarti's parents to appear before the CBI's DRTO office around 11 o'clock in the morning.
So that is the latest update coming in, where the parents of Rhea Chakrabarti have been summoned by the investigative agencies. As according to the latest reports, 3 teams of the CBI are already there at the DRDO guest house in Mumbai. As we continue to report on the live developments taking place in Mumbai, that today Rhea and Shouvik will not be summoned by the investigative agencies. They have been called in 4 times back to back in the last 4 days for questioning by the CBI.